you run a WooCommerce store, generating invoices automatically is one of the easiest ways to keep your orders organized and professional. It helps you and your customers easily track every transaction while adding a polished touch to your business. To set this up, start by opening your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins and then select Add New. In the search bar, type WooCommerce PDF invoices and packing slips. This is one of the most popular plugins for creating and sending invoices automatically. Once you see it appear, click Install Now, and when it's done, click Activate to turn it on. After activation, you will find new options inside your WooCommerce settings. Go to WooCommerce, select PDF invoices and then open the General tab. Here, you can configure how your invoices will look and what details they'll include. Choose a template that matches your store style so your branding stays consistent. You can also add a footer note. This is a great place to include your contact details, a thank you message, or any legal or refund information you want your customers to see. Once you've saved these settings, WooCommerce will automatically generate a downloadable PDF invoice every time an order is placed. That means no manual work. Just clean, professional invoices delivered instantly. And that's it. You've just automated one of the most important parts of your WooCommerce store. Your customers get organized records, your brand looks more professional, and you save time on every order. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more quick WooCommerce tips.